Yo, what's up, you guys? So today we're going to get these crap housings swapped out with a set of depot housings, fully retrofitted with LEDs by USR Auto. So if you haven't seen USR Auto, check them out. They make a ton of automotive lights. They make blacked out housings. They make LED retrofitted housings for a ton of make and models. So today we're going to black out the taillights on the second gen Tacoma with a set of these depot housings, again, blacked out and retrofitted by USR Auto. Let's see what it's all about. Damn, look at the difference in these guys. Holy crap, the whole housing's crazy blacked out. The reflector bowls remain, but gotta kind of have those. But around the actual reverse light, dude, so sick. Those look so good. So since these housings already come pre-retrofitted with the upgraded LEDs, you don't need to do anything to the housings at all. Just leave them alone. You can get those installed, straight swap, plug and play. Just remove 3 10mm bolts. 1, 2, 3. Remove those, pop the housing off, and then pop the new housing back in. Once you have all 3 bolts removed, you can just pop the tail light off. Just grab it, wiggle it a little bit. There's 2 tabs in there holding it on. Just kind of pull straight out. Might feel like you're gonna break something, but you won't. Once you have the tail light off, you just need to remove this wiring harness clip right here. There's a little tab on the back end. Just depress that tab and the clip should pop right off. Same thing as you did to take everything off. Super simple. Just pop this thing back on, clip it into place. Make sure you hear that click. And then these 2 tabs right here, those tabs are the exact same. Just position it right back in the way it came and pop those guys in there. And you should be good to go. Both those tabs have been popped back into place. Now just go ahead and throw those 10 mils back in there and you're done. All right, guys, here's what the lights look like all lit up. We have in the center the brake light, the bottom is the reverse light, and then obviously at the top you get your right turn signal. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. These are the depot housings. They're blacked out and retrofitted with upgraded LEDs by USR Auto. They're super affordable. They're 114 bucks. And you can opt to add LEDs here in the reverse light, LEDs there in the turn signal if you want to. You can get those bulbs. They're all over Amazon. Just look up the bulb number of the second gen Tacoma for the 12 to 15. That's what this is. So 12 to 15 second gen Tacoma blacked out tail lights by USR Auto for 100 bucks. Might be 115 bucks. Regardless, they're super cheap. So that's it. Install was really easy. Lights are nice. Packed well, shipped well. What more can you ask for? They look good. All right, guys. We'll see you on the next one.